Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the general architecture of biometric system. The word biometric is derived from a Greek word that is bias and metric. So bias means life and metric means measurement. Totally it is a life measurement. Therefore, the biometric it is used to recognize the human being by measuring various features like voice, signature, face, iris, and hand geometry, fingerprint, etc. So, by using these features, the person can be compared and identified with that features. Uh, So nowadays, the biometric has become an automated system for recognizing a person's identity based on his physical traits or behavioral traits. That is by using the computer-based analysis. So this biometric plays an extensive role in highly secured identification and personal verification solutions. So totally here you have two types of recognition. So that is an verification and identification. So verification means that the image ensured that should be ensured or an auxiliary input is checked with the previous database stored inputs, and identification means that the genuine individual is recognized. The most commonly used biometric recognition techniques are handwriting, face, iris, retina, fingerprints, hand geometry, vein, voice biometric traits, etc. The recognition is based on the verification and identification. So it can verify the identity of a person by comparing the already stored characteristics to the characteristics provided at the time of recognition. So this is called as verification. So this is otherwise called as an one-to-one match. And identification means a biometric data is captured, is compared against the data available in the database that is already stored, and found that the biometric data being tested is present in the database or not. So this is otherwise called as an one-to-many. That is, verification means one-to-one matching. Identification means one-to-many matching of a biometric trait. In this image, it clearly it shows the authentication and identification process. So authentication is an one-to-one matching, that is matching a person's claimed identity to his biometric and one or more other security technologies. Identification means that one-to-many, that is identify a person from the entire enrolled population. There are two main processes that are otherwise called as two phases that occur in the biometric system. They are the enrollment phase and recognition phase. In enrollment module, the biometric database is compared, including the input traits of all individuals that is to be verified. The database may be divided into several parts that depends on the type of images, complexity, and the format of the input image, and also the size of the input, like that. So during enrollment process, the characteristics of an individual should be measured. Then first of all, we have to take the input, that is capturing the input through image acquisition system or using some sensor module. Then the captured input is then subjected to training process. So that training process can be done using some certain methods and features. During the training process, the recognition takes place and the features are getting extracted. So and the features is then stored in the form of templates. Okay, so the corresponding feature that is used for the comparison. So the templates are then stored as an template database. So after that, the feature extracted from the images stored digitally in a computer or required to transform into an suitable scheme. The extracted feature that is stored here is not an original one, but the equivalent and compact form of the features are stored, and that it is known as an template. So these templates are used for the comparison with the template that is already being tested. So during enrollment process, the quality check is also implemented. So it will ensure the quality of the input biometric trait, or otherwise the recognition will be getting failed because of the poor quality inputs. So during the recognition module, it have the steps similar to that of the enrollment phase, and other than that, digital representation is made and then it is processed into a template. The processed template is then compared with all the templates that is stored in the system in order to identify correctly the individual or the template that can be compared to one given individual template. So in all the biometric systems, the basic component which is used here is an sensor, pre-processing, feature extractor, template generator, matcher, and an application device. These are all the common blocks that is used in all types of biometric systems. This image, it shows the verification and identification process in 3 steps. So in first thing, it specify the template that is to be verified, okay, by choosing the name or entering the ID number or password like that. And second step, it is used to load, that is the authentication in the device. That is, the template should be loaded as specified in this first step, and from the loaded template, the encrypted image data can be captured from the device and then it is sent to the server. And the final step is in verification, so executing the matching process and return the result whether it is matched or not.